ratchet straps to pull it this way, pull it together in the middle. So eventually this little hole here is going to line up with a post, and then all the rest of them should. So you can ratchet it down on all the posts. So we're only a few inches off. So we got the shed up. Now we're going to try to put an end wall in, and it could be framed up with a plastic pipe, but we're going to use lumber, frame up, put a door in there. We're not going to actually put the door in, but we're going to make it so we can put a door in later. So we're putting the end posts in, laminated 2x6s. We cut a notch out of the top, and it goes right into the top. We screw it all together. So we're still working on the end wall. We put 2x6s across the end, and then we left the door at 16 feet. Now we're just putting the plastic on. So it's got a vent on the top. We're wrapping it over on the inside of the truss.